I'm itchy. Where are we?
Hi, I'm Clay. You're watching Disney Channel.
What was I saying? This is not okay. My name's Clay. I'm the shipping manager here at Flycraft. I've been here for about almost 7 years. And yeah, kind of run the shipping operations. So every time a new order comes in, start making labels for it, package the boats up that we have in our warehouse and send them out. Probably the favorite part is just kind of all the perks outside of working here, going on trips with everyone that works here, using our boats. We have a sweet demo fleet that we have access to, so just kind of being part of the fly fishing industry. So I moved here to Salt Lake City from Pennsylvania for college. Always wanted to move out west because I was big into snowboarding. Then found fly fishing, about 7 years ago. A lot of my friends were doing it in the off season, and just fell in love with it. And then found this place, started working here as an intern in the owner Ben's garage. So it's pretty cool, been seeing the growth around here. This place had humble beginnings. It was pretty scrappy, we were, working out of Ben's house in his garage, and then we had a storage unit where we kind of did all of our production, building the frames, and then shipping boats out of there, just out of a storage unit.
Clay, if you were like 4 or 5 seconds earlier on that set, you might have had a fish.
I think to me, the pinnacle and my favorite kind of fishing is definitely streamer fishing when it's red hot, just those really nasty, vicious takes from big trout are my favorite. But really, I don't know, being able to adapt and find, anything that they're eating. Sometimes nymphing, when nymphing's really good, be fun. Or those, amazing dry fly hatches, those big salmon flies and green drakes and stuff like that. Also super fun.
Tell me about your worst day fishing.
Bad fishing day. I mean, you have some of those days where nothing's going right. You forget to pack stuff. You break your rod. I've had those days. It's windy out. Combination of all those things. Oh, there is actually a good story. So me and Brandon were floating the Henry's Fork. Everyone who's floated there knows it's like a super pretty pristine, a lot of etiquette on that river. And we were anchored fishing this one spot, and we went to switch seats in the two-man, and I misstepped and tripped and fell out of the boat, so that was pretty sweet. A bunch of fly boxes and gear boxes went floating down the river. Luckily, we recovered everything except for one of my fly rods. So yeah, that was fun. I think we floated the next hour in silence. My boat box, it is probably a mess right now, but yeah. All right, so this is my boat box, the Yeti Go box. So this is what it usually looks like at the end of the day of fishing. I didn't reorganize it, so take a look. This first tray, got forceps, nippers. I usually wear around my neck. Bunch of pucks of random assorted flies, not really organized at all. All kinds of stuff. Looks like we got a bunch of stone flies in there. Bunch of dirty stuff, eggs and worms. Some nymphs. Got some floating. A few different size indicators. Nice. Oh boy, that's all tied up. Yeah, nice. Handy. Nice rat nest of flies. More flies. It's
as you can see, it's really organized. Nice chubby there. Some more flies that I have not put in the boxes yet. Split shot that I fell in the grass. This one's got some drakes in there. Some hippie stompers. More chubbies. Bunch of flies. All right. So that's in there. We got fly attached to my buff. Got that when it's really sunny out. I don't usually wear it that much. Got a box here. I think there's mostly drakes and more stone flies. Some hoppers look like they found their way in there. We got a puck full of cicadas. What else? These are some of my grandpa's old flies. It's one of his old fly boxes too. Seems to like that one a lot. Looks like it got a bunch of just different mayfly patterns. Used them decent amount of times. There's some good stuff in there. Got some nice 20-pound fluoro for streamer fishing. Sunscreen. This box has a few carp flies in there. I always kind of like keeping my little carp box in there because carp are everywhere. What else? Got some leeches here. Streamer box. Again, very organized. Got a bunch of cool stuff in here. I tied this big one. Let's see if I can get it unhooked. That one's cool. A bunch of stuff I've tied, mostly streamers. Another one of my boxes I got from my grandfather. This one's got some more Beta C mayfly style, old style flies. Hooks are still good on them. I kind of just carry it around. Got more like a tractor style stuff in there. Let's see in here, some more smaller beta stuff, kind of mixed in with whatever. Kind of just seem to have tossed, mixed and matched everything in all these boxes. Some hoppers in there. Sow bug and some other small flies in here. Some midges. God, this thing is, all my boxes are super messy. Some walkies when we have two boats out. We can communicate, get beta from the other boat. Fish are eating chapstick. That's probably really old. Another box with some sow bugs in it. Some dirty secret sow bugs in there. Let's see in here. Got some reels. Some reel covers or bags or whatever they're called. Tippet in there. Put your tippet in here. 0 to probably 5x, it looks like. And there, it's again super organized box. And I think that's about it.